Hey there, my fellow Scorpios! Welcome back again to my channel and welcome back to your reading. Hope you guys having an amazing day wherever you are in the world. Thank you for supporting to my channel and thanks as well for joining me here, especially to all my soul family and soul tribes. You are all highly appreciated. If you're new here, welcome. Cross watchers are also welcome. This reading is not your personal reading. This is a timeless and general energy reading for the star sign of Scorpio. Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus. Please remember to take what resonates and leave what doesn't. It's because this reading is not for all Scorpios, since this is not your personal reading. For some of you, it could not be your story and it could not be your energy. So please use your own discernment. I would like to remind you as well that the energy of this reading could be reversal. If this is not your story and your energy, just leave it, okay? Universal energy for the star sign of Scorpio. Give me that accurate and clear reading, please. The past, the present, the future, and the outcome of this reading. Divine God and Goddess of all beings. Divine ancestors, divine spirits, spiritual animals. Show me the cards what I need to see for the star sign of Scorpio. Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus. Give me that accurate and clear reading, please. The past, the present, the future, and the outcome of this reading. Universal energy for the star sign of Scorpio. Give me that accurate and clear reading, please. Show me the cards what I need to see for the star sign of Scorpio. Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus. Let me see your energy in this reading. First, we have the King of Wands. This is a fire sign energy. Aries, Leo, or Sagittarius. But normally, this is an energy of an Aries. Could also that you are dealing with an Aries, or you have an Aries in your birth chart. For some of you guys, of course, not all of you. Others of you, this is your energy, of course, because this is your reading. You are sitting in your throne. You are a very confident and independent person. You show to the world as a good leader. And you encourage and give hopes to other people to take an action with their dreams, to bring it into a reality in line with their passion. Not only that you are sitting in your throne, you are taking care of yourself. You look good, you smell good. You look so magnetic, attractive, gorgeous, amazing. And I feel like there are lots of people who are captivating on your aura. It's because of your confidence and of being independent person. It could also that there are lots of people who are feeling inspired by you. Maybe you give them hopes and inspiration as well. I don't know, it's the nature of your job. It could also be that you are the hot topic in the society. It doesn't matter if you're male or female, because in tarot there is no gender. Somebody here is attracting and adoring on you, my beautiful souls, Scorpio. Could be an Aries. Could also be a fire sign. Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. And others of you guys, I feel like this person is feeling inspired with your passion and your strength, because for most of you, you are very passionate and driven. Could be a fire sign. Take only what fits in your story, my beautiful souls, Scorpio. And we have here the Eight of Swords. Oh my gosh. Somebody here is feeling trapped, feeling captive, feeling victimized. Somebody here is feeling confused. Somebody here is feeling isolated. I don't know who is this person. Could be that you are dealing with an air sign, or you are attracting an air sign or a fire sign. This person could be Gemini, Libra, or Aquarius. Not necessary, could also be a group of 8 people. This person or group of people are now feeling captive, feeling trapped. I don't know what they have done on you in the past. Could also be that in the past, they tried to isolate you, to trap you, and it didn't work. For some of you guys, I feel like you still in your mind to this person or group of people because of what they have done to you. The universe advises you, my beautiful souls, Scorpio, to leverage your thoughts because this is no longer your battles. It could also be that they are still disturbing on you, especially in your mind, or they are still in your energy, they are still clinging on you because they want you to be feeling isolated like them. I don't know who are this person or group of people. It could be a minimum of 8 people. There could be a significant meaning for you with the number 8. You could be born on 1988. Or this is like what goes around comes back around, because this is your 8th house. This is your powerful new beginning, your transformation and rebirth. And I feel like there are lots of people who are feeling trapped, who are feeling isolated, who are feeling victimized by you because of your transformation, because of your powerful new beginning. Not only that you look so good, attractive, magnetic, but there are lots of people who are craving your attention because of your independency and your confidence as well. And there are lots of people who are craving on your attention. And that's why there are also people in the past, could be a minimum of 8 people who are feeling trapped because they want your attention, but they couldn't have. It could also be that you are dealing with a group of people who are attention seeker. And since they have seen that you have lots of admirers, there are lots of people who are feeling inspired by you and captivating with your aura. And that's why they are feeling victimized by you. They are feeling trapped, when in fact they are the one who tried to victimize you in the past. It could also be that for some of these people, guys, they are in jail, or they are scared that they are going to jail because of what they have done to you. I don't know who is this person or group of people. Could be in your family, in your workplace, in your friend circle, your ex, or in the community. For instance, your neighbors. They are feeling trapped. The facts and reality is that they want to isolate you in the past. They are the one who wants to victimize you, but now backfires on them. You know why? 8 of Swords is your 8th house. And aside from that, for some of you guys, you are innocent. You have nothing to do with this person or group of people. They did this to you. It's because of jealousy and envy. They put 8 of Swords on your back. You have gone through a lot of pain because of this person or group of people. They slandered your name. They're spreading lies and rumors about you. They put you in a third-party situation. They tried to mock you down. And aside from that, this person or group of people are trying to control and to swap your destiny. This is the past situation. And I feel they are now feeling victimized by you. Could also be that you are dealing with person or group of people who are narcissist, toxic, cunning, and manipulative. Because a narcissist person can easily twist the story. In your last reading, it was also come out. I don't know who is this person or group of people. Could be an air sign, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, or a fire sign, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. If this is a new person, this person could be already committed to somebody else. This person is feeling captive, feeling trapped. Could be with a relationship if this is a new person. Either a fire sign or an air sign. Take only what fits in your story, my beautiful souls, Scorpio. The universe advises you to liberate your thoughts because this is only a temporary situation and it won't last longer. You have always an infinite potential to change the negative situation into a positive one. If this is your energy, of course. But I don't feel that this is your energy. Because you are in this energy of the King of Wands. It doesn't matter if you are male or female. It was the people who didn't believe that you can create something. Because they are triggered with your glowing, with your confidence and independency. And that's why they are feeling trapped. In the past, they want to trap you because they have seen something inside you. This is your lights. And they are triggered with your lights. This person or group of people doesn't have passion. And they couldn't match your strength. And that's why they are trapped. They are trapped with their own jealousy and envy. Could be an earth sign, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, or a fire sign, Aries, Leo, or Sagittarius. Because for some of you guys, you return back to sender the negative energy sent by this person or group of people on you. And that's why it backfires on them. Could also that they are now facing the spiritual jail, spiritual court, or they are in jail physically, or they are going to jail. Maybe they are feeling trapped because they are scared that they are going to jail. Take only what fits in your story. And the future is the Three of Swords. Oh my gosh. Again, an air sign energy. Gemini, Libra, or Aquarius. Could be that you are dealing or attracting an air sign or a fire sign, because these are the cards come out here. Somebody here is no longer free. Somebody here engaged you to a third-party situation. Or this person is already married and plan to engage you to a third-party situation. That's why somebody is feeling trapped. Could be an air sign, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, or a fire sign, Aries, Leo, or Sagittarius. But this person is strongly admiring you. They are desiring and craving you as well. But the problem is somebody here is no longer free. Or they plan to engage you to a third-party situation, but they are confused. They are feeling trapped because they knew that you are an intuitive person. They couldn't bluff you. That's why somebody is feeling trapped. It could also be somebody whose attention is divided into two. Or they engage you in a third-party situation in the past. Or it could also be that these are a group of 3 people. Remember in your last reading, the 3 of Pentacles come out. This could also be a group of 3 people who tried to put swords on your back. And now they are trapped because everything they did on you backfires on them. Could be an air sign, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. Or a fire sign, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. For some of you guys, it could be that somebody here is disappointed because somebody here is no longer free, or there could be a separation here or a loss. Somebody here is feeling heartbroken, feeling lost. I don't know what this is all about. Could also be that somebody here is heartbroken and in pain because you are in this energy of the King of Wands. You are glowing, you look so magnetic, you are passionate and desirable, and there are lots of people who are adoring and admiring you. And that's why whatever they plan against you in the past backfires on them, and now they are heartbroken. They tried to broke you. They broke their heart by trying to broke your heart. These are the group of people. Could be composed of 8 people or 3 people. There could be significant meaning for you with the number 8 or the number 3. You could be born in 1983. You could be 38 years old for some of you. Or you could be born in 1988. Or you could be 33 years old for some of you guys. I don't know what this is all about. This is related to your lucky breaks, your success, your abundance, your good fortune. The number 8. And the number 3, this is related to your creativity. Could also, this is related to your celebration, composed of teamwork and collaboration, more on feminine energy planning. Somebody here could be a group of 3 are now heartbroken, disappointed because their plan didn't work the way it was. They thought that, oh, we are going to trap Scorpio. Oh, we're going to captive or isolate Scorpio, but it didn't work. In fact, it backfires on them, and that's why they are disappointed. Could also be that this is a new person, and this person is disappointed because they couldn't start a relationship with you. Because somebody is no longer free. Maybe they are planning to trap you in order for you to have an unclear vision to engage you to a third-party situation. I don't know, because somebody here is no longer free. Be very careful nowadays, because there are lots of people who wants to trap you. For whatever reason, it's because they viewed you as a very confident and independent person. You look so magnetic and you are desirable, and this person or group of people couldn't bluff you because you knew the truth. Now they are feeling trapped. Could also be a group of people in the past who tried to trap you and now it backfires on them. Take only what fits in your story, and the outcome is the Queen of Pentacles. Oh my gosh, I love this card for you guys. Could be that you are dealing or attracting a Virgo, or you have a Virgo in your birth chart for some of you. And I feel like somebody here needs your support, or they wants to nurture the relationship between you and them. Could also be that you have a grudges with this person. Could also be that you are dealing with a matured mother figure. This person is a very practical person and independent as well. Or you are in this energy of mother figure and you are connected to Mother Earth. It doesn't matter if you are male or female. You are very nurturing and loving person. And this person viewed you that they can nurture you. They can help and support you. Because somebody here is heartbroken. Somebody here is disappointed. Because of third-party situation could be. I don't know what this is all about. And for some of you guys, you have financial success and stability. It's because of your hard work and your legacy. It could also be that somebody has feeling entitled to your legacy, to your financial success and stability. Somebody here could be needs your support because they viewed you as a very loving and nurturing person. Or you are dealing with a matured mother figure. I don't know. Or this person is willing to support you. Could be an earth sign, Virgo. Could also be an earth sign, Taurus or Capricorn. And or an air sign, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, or a fire sign, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. Because these are the cards come out here. Others of you, it could also be that you are working at home. Could also be that you are investing your money in a realty. The universe advises you, my beautiful souls, Scorpio, to spend time to the nature. If you are always at home, you have to go to the nature to connect with the divinity, to tune in with the divine. Could also be that you are working at home, you are a homebody type of person because you don't want to hear the noise of the world. And you are at home and doing cooking, gardening, I don't know what this is all about. Or you are working at home because you don't want to hear the noise of some other people, especially those low vibes, energy draining vampires who are always jealous and envy for whatever reason, because they triggered your lights and your aura, because your lights is shining bright and they couldn't stand it. This person or group of people are the people who have a low vibes energy, and that's why they are triggered with your lights, even though you have nothing to do with them. And that's the reason why you stay at home, or you are doing work at home. You are tired of wandering, but the universe advises you to spend time to the nature. Take only what fits in your story. Clarify me, Father, why? Why the King of Wands in this reading? Tell me more about the King of Wands, sir, please. Why the King of Wands in this reading for the star sign of Scorpio? Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus. It is clarified as number 9. This is bouquet. There could be significant meaning for you with the number 9. You could be born on the 9th of the month or 1999, in the year of 1999. For some of you guys, this is a completion. Congratulations. Somebody here, this person loves you, and this person not only admiring you, but this person loves you, because bouquet it also symbolizes love. This person wants to have pleasure with you. This person wants to give you a gift. I don't know what this is all about, because this person is admiring you, adoring you. Not only admiring you, adoring you, but there is a feelings involved here. This person wants to give you a gift, because could be that this person is feeling inspired by you. I don't know what this is all about. This person having a feelings for you, because bouquet is also related to love. Could be a fire sign, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. Or you have a fire sign in your birth chart, not necessarily a fire sign. Take only what fits in your story, my beautiful souls, Scorpio. Clarify me, Father, why the King of Wands in this reading? Tell me more. Tell me more about the King of Wands here. It is clarified as Mars. I told you, an Aries or a fellow Scorpio. Because Mars is the ruling planets of an Aries and one of the ruling planets of a Scorpio. This person who is admiring you and adoring you could be either an Aries or a fellow Scorpio, because this is the clarification, the Mars. This person not only admiring and adoring you, but this person having a feelings for you. Maybe you inspired this person or you give them hope. I don't know what is the nature of your job. But somebody has feeling inspired by you. This person not only adoring and admiring you, not only craving your energy, but also this person loves you. This person wants to give you a gift. I don't know what this is all about. Could be an Aries or a fellow Scorpio. This could also be a new person. Take only what fits in your story, my beautiful souls, Scorpio, and clarify me, please, the Eight of Swords. Why the Eight of Swords here? Your present energy. The Eight of Swords. Why the Eight? Oh, Jesus Christ, in your name. Sorry, guys. I have to shuffle again. Why the Eight of Swords in this reading? Please tell me more about the Eight of Swords here. Why the Eight of Swords here, please? It is clarified as snake. Oh my gosh. The Eight of Swords is clarified as snake. This person could be an air sign, Gemini, Libra, or Aquarius. Could also be a group of 8 people. You look and it is clarified as snake. Somebody here is wearing a false mask. Somebody here viewed you as the rebels. Somebody here is competing on you. Somebody here is copying on you. There could be a copycat here. This person is cunning. This person is not true to you. Be very careful. There could be a temptation here as well, because the snake. Somebody here is double face. Could also be that these are the group of 8 people who are now feeling trapped, because in the past they tried to hinder your legacy, your birthright. And in fact, they want to trap you. Could be an air sign, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. Remember, the clarification here is a snake. There are lots of snakes in the grass, Scorpio. Be very careful. Could be a group of 8 people who is planning to trap you, who is planning to isolate you. Lots of snakes, because these are composed of 8 people. But for some of you guys, you are advised to please continue to meditate and pray. What's your step? Because there are lots of snakes on the grass. A minimum of 8 people. Continue to meditate and pray and rebuke these snakes, the spirit of the devil. And aside from that, you need to pray and meditate. You need to return to sender. Whatever the negative energy descent on you, return to sender. Because I feel like there are lots of snakes on the grass, in the grasses. A minimum of 8 people who tried to trap you for whatever reason, because of jealousy and envy, because they couldn't stand your aura. You have lots of attention from other people, and there are lots of people who are admiring on you, inspiring on you, and I feel like for some of these people wants to approach you, and they have sin as well. And this could be jealousy and envy. These are a group of 8 people. You look a snake. They are cunning. Be very careful with whom you have a connection nowadays, because not all people who calls your name is for you. Some of these people are snakes. You look. Be very careful and watch your steps, my beautiful souls, Scorpio. Temptation around you. Remember in your last reading, because there are lots of people who are craving your energy, desiring you, because you look so damn magnetic, and you are the hot topic of the society, and there are lots of people who wants to seduce you. That's why there are lots of snakes here. A minimum of 8 people who are considered as snakes. This could also be in your family, in your workplace, in your friend circle, your ex, or in the community. For instance, your neighbors. An air sign is involved here in the group of the snakes, Gemini, Libra, or Aquarius. A fire sign, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, and an earth sign, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. Because these are the cards come out here. Somebody here could also be feeling that you are the threat, or they considered you as the rivals, that they are competing on you. Be careful on your steps because there are lots of snakes around. Take only what fits in your story, my beautiful souls. Scorpio, clarify me, Father. Oh my gosh, Jesus Christ. Why the 8 of Swords? I rebuke all the bad spirits in Jesus' name. Gawi Satan, gawi devil. All the snakes has no power against my fellow Scorpio. I rebuke in the name of the Divine Most High. Whoever you are, go away from my fellow Scorpios. In Jesus' name, amen. Clarify me, Father, why the 8 of Swords in this reading? It is clarified as should say. A Sagittarius is involved. An air sign, a fire sign, and an earth sign. It could also be a group of 8 people who are the snakes. Be very careful, watch your steps, and be very careful with whom you share your private life, because there are lots of people around are cunning, manipulative, trickery, and they want to devour you, my beautiful souls, Scorpio. Take only what fits in your story and clarify me, Father, why the 3 of Swords in this reading? Please tell me more about the 3 of Swords here, please. Why the 3 of Swords in this reading? It is clarified as open heart, receptive, empathy, vulnerable. This person wants you to be vulnerable to them. This person wishes that you are going to open your heart to them. This person manifesting you in their lives that you are going to accept their offer. Somebody is disappointed because they couldn't play you anymore. You knew the truth. They couldn't trap you. They couldn't block your third eye chakra, because for most of you guys, you are one of the most intuitive sign in the zodiac. Well, they can try if they want. Good luck, cross watchers. But I don't think that they will succeed. Because for some of you, I feel like you are a spiritual warrior, an earth angel, or a chosen one. And this person or group of people, the group of snakes, come into your life because it could be that you have a mission to this person or group of people to awaken their poor, unhealed souls. And that's why you are going to meet this person or group of people. But they are wishing you are going to open your heart to them. But also that these are the past people who engaged you to a third-party situation, who disappointed you because they never chose you in the past. And now they are feeling heartbroken. They are feeling heartbroken because they couldn't trap you. They couldn't manipulate you. They couldn't, isolate you. And aside from that, you have lots of attention from the different people. I don't know what is the nature of your job. You are so desirable, magnetic, and attractive. And that's why this person or group of people are feeling trapped. These are the snakes. Because the snakes are now trapped in their cage. In the past, they slayed you with the 8 of Swords. But for some of you guys, you said return to sender. And that's why they are the one who trapped with their own swords. For some of them, they are now in jail, in mental prison, or spiritual court. They are facing their karma. They are the one who trapped with their own BS. I told you. Because they are the snakes in your life. All they can do is to betray you, to isolate you because of jealousy and envy, to slander your name, to spread lies and rumors about you, to trick you, to manipulate you, especially if you are innocent. It didn't work because you are the 8th house, the house of transformation. You are the creation and the destruction, the transformation and rebirth. And that's why they couldn't stop you, especially if this is related to your birthright. They wants to trap you, I told you. Be very careful. Yeah, look, this is the present energy. That's why I told you to meditate and pray. Never cease to meditate and pray. And what's your step? And aside from that, this person, a group of people, wants you to be like them because they are feeling trapped. Their life is stagnant. Their life is boring. Maybe they have lots of money, but their life is falling apart because they have no passion. They have no strength. What can they do with their own money if they have lots of money? They have also poor souls, low vibes energy. They are nothing. That's why they wants to trap you because of jealousy and envy that you have passion and they couldn't match your strength, and lots of people are admiring and desiring you and nobody desiring them because they are the people who are cold-hearted, manipulative, jealousy, envy, cunning. The snake, I told you. Take only what fits in your story. Clarify me, Father. Why the 3 of Swords here? Please tell me more. Oh my gosh. Why the 3 of Swords in this reading? For some of these people, guys, they tried to trap you, to hurt you. Because this is the future energy, the 3 of Swords. That's why be very careful. There are lots of snakes around, temptation around. All they want to do is to trap you and to hurt you. Because these are the people who are disappointed and hurt. Hurt people, hurt people. It is clarified as the fox. The 3 of Swords is clarified as the fox. That means they won't prosper because you are clever and intelligent person. The fox is clever and intelligent, and they want to trick you. Be very careful, and always meditate and pray and listen to your intuition because trickery around. This person or group of people only wants to hurt you and to trap you because they couldn't stand your energy. That you are very confident and independent person. That lots of people are admiring you and desiring you. And aside from that, inspiring you because you give them hope and inspiration. They hate it. The haters hate it. We are the snakes in this reading. Yeah, look. Be very careful. Others of you, it could also be that you have learned your lesson. And that's why you are clever, smart, and intelligent like the fox. Well, they can try if they can. Good luck, cross watchers. Take only what fits in your story. Clarify me, Father. Why? Oh my gosh. Why the Queen of Swords in this reading? What's happened with this person or group of people? It's because you are glowing. It's because they couldn't hinder your financial success and stability. Oh my gosh. It is clarified as the Sihirin. I told you. You could be an empath, a psychic, an intuitive person. Could also be that somebody here engaged you to a practitioner or a tarot card reader because they wants to know if you are really the energy of the Queen of Pentacles. They wants to know if you are really abundance. A Queen of Pentacles doesn't mean that you have so much money. This is related to your vibration, that you are abundance. You are balanced. Everything is balanced in you. It is not mean that you have lots of money. This is related to your nourishing energy. It could also that this person is engaging you to a fake practitioner, a tarot card readers. They wants to know your life. You know why? Because of jealousy and envy. I told you they are focusing in your life instead of focusing themselves. This person or group of people having a mental disorder because they are focusing in your life. Why they don't focus in their lives instead of focusing on you? They have a mental disorder. Their mind is not okay. Yeah, look, because they are feeling trapped. Their lives are falling apart. They don't have passion. They don't have strength and energy. They couldn't match your strength. And now somebody here could be consulted to a practitioner, a tarot card reader, to know your life. Could be a Virgo or an earth sign, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, or a matured mother figure. Could also be an air sign, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, or a fire sign, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, because these are the cards come out here. And Aries here is involved, and a fellow Scorpio, but this person wants to give you a gift. This person not only admiring you, an Aries or a fellow Scorpio, not only admiring you, but they wants to give you a gift because they have feelings for you. Nevertheless, be very careful nowadays, because not all people who calls your name is for you. I never see all. I said be very careful. What's your tips? Clarify me, Father. Why the Queen of Pentacles in this reading? Oh my gosh. Why the Queen of Pentacles here? My gosh. Let us clarify us. Shocking, turmoil, trouble, unexpected. I told you, they are shocked. They didn't expect you to be this energy of the Queen of Pentacles. Because all they knew about you is you are gullible, you are stupid, you cannot do anything, you cannot make something, you don't have creativity. Because you show them your kindness. And they took your kindness as your weakness. They perceive you as a weak person. How could Scorpio can do that? How could Scorpio become the energy of the Queen of Pentacles? That's why somebody here could be consulted a tarot card reader or a fake practitioner in order to know your life. I told you, your life is interesting than this person or group of people. Could be an earth sign, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. Could also be a group of 10 people. Involves an earth sign, an air sign, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, a fire sign, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. And there is a fellow Scorpio involved here. If you are on the right path, this is your reading. Yeah, look, they are now shocked. Because why Scorpio become the energy of the Queen of Pentacles and the King of Wands? For these people, you are the nightmare. You are bothering in their minds. That's why they are feeling trapped. You look, they are feeling captive. They are feeling isolated because they couldn't move. This is their karma for what they have done to you. Because in the past, they want to isolate you. They want to trap you because of jealousy and envy. Especially if you have nothing to do with them. Now, they are in this energy of entrapment. While you are shining, glowing, you are very passionate and driven. You give hope and inspiration to other people. And this person, a group of people, shock. Why Scorpio become this energy of Queen of Pentacles and King of Wands? We want to break Scorpio's heart. We want Scorpio to be disappointed. We want Scorpio to trap, to be like this, that Scorpio couldn't move. That Scorpio will be isolated. That Scorpio will suffer in silence. Why? You know why, Crosswatcher? Because Scorpio is innocent. Because you only did this all because of your jealousy and envy. And we are interconnectedness. Whatever negative energy, Crosswatcher, you send to my fellow Scorpio, it will return to you. Because we are interconnectedness. You wish bad to other people, it will come back to you. Especially if that person is innocent and have nothing to do with your life. You did it only to my fellow Scorpio because of jealousy and envy. And this is logic. This is biblical. What you sow is what you reap. You look. The snake. The snake is hiding in the grass. For some of these people, guys, they are pretending that they are your family, friends, allies, but the truth are not. And now they are shocked. Why Scorpio becomes the energy of the Queen of Pentacles and the King of Wands? Oh my gosh. What kind of people are you? Take only what fits in your story. Clarify me, Father. Why? Why the Three of Swords, sir? Please tell me more. Why the Three of Swords? It is clarified as Moon. Somebody here is keeping a secret. The universe advises you to pay attention to your dreams and to listen to your intuition. Somebody is keeping a secret. Or there could be a secret is going to expose to this person. An air sign, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. An earth sign, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. A fire sign, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. Remember, a fellow Scorpio is involved here. A Cancer and or a Pisces. That ends your readings for today, my beautiful souls, Scorpio. I hope you enjoy your reading. And if this resonates to you guys, please don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like, comment, and share. Thank you for joining me here once again. Until the next time, I love you all. Bye.